Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lagging problem on iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26 developer beta, and your iPhone starts lagging, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and then go to iPhone storage, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. So guys, if it is full, then you have to simply delete some useless data from your iPhone storage. So guys, simply do this, and after this scroll it below, and from here you have to simply delete all those useless apps on your iPhone which you don't use. So guys, check all the applications from here or apps from here and delete the useless apps from here on your iPhone. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and from here tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that you are not using the VPN all the time on your iPhone. So guys, if your VPN is connected all the time, then you have to simply disconnect it and use the VPN whenever in need. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply follow the last suggestion, that is you have to simply use at least one app at a time on your iPhone, and don't use any app in the background if it is not necessary. So guys, you can see this, there are a lot of apps running in the background. You have to simply close all those apps which are useless or which you are not using right now, and use a single app on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also fix lagging problem on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.